guys, so today I have a K5LLA and I have a K5LL. American tuned, Canadian tuned, they both have 1Ls and they're both 1L, 1, 2, and then the difference being 3A where that one has a 3, 4A where this one has a 4. I'm going to show you what that actually means. It's a difference in the bore depth between the 3 and the 4 on both horns. What that means is the 3 on this horn is bored deeper than what the factory did to that 3 over there. That one's not bored as deeply as this one. Same for this 4 and this 4A. This one's bored deeper than this one. I'm going to show you what that looks like now. All right, so we're going to take a 7/16 inch wrench or socket or whatever you have. We're going to take these 6 bolts off the back cap so we can see what it looks like on the inside. All right, so you can see here I got these back caps off. What's inside, you've got 2 diaphragm discs and then there's a rubber gasket in the middle. You got 6 bolts, and then this is what the inside of a number 4 looks like with no extra bore. So this is the standard bore on a number 4. And then if you come over here, that's what a 4A bore looks like. It is a little deeper than a straight 4. I believe the 3A is actually going to be quite a bit deeper than what it is on the 3. I think that's a better comparison. Maybe I'll do that in another video. This horn is actually ex-Union Pacific Railroad, and as it sits besides what's going on with the power chamber of the 1L, it's exactly how it was when it came off the train. I haven't even cleaned up the insides of these power chambers or anything. So, you know, that's the differences between these two horns. It's the 3 and the 4 versus the 4A and the 3A. All right, so now that you've seen and heard the differences between these horns, let me know what you think about them in the comments below. If you liked it, if you wouldn't mind dropping a like down below, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can always find it, and hit the bell so you're always notified whenever I post one of these videos. See you in the next one.